Ramadas Bhajan. So he is the father of all bhajans of India. He is the greatest tradition of Andhra Pradesh. This Kirtana praises the glory of Lord Sri Krishna, glory of Lord Sri Krishna, who is Krishnam Vande Jagat Guru. This is the greatest of our country. We have to teach to our next generations, particularly three slogans. One is Jai Shri Ram. Please repeat.
Jai Shri Ram.
Shri Ram Jai. Why we should call Shri Ram? Why we should remember Shri Ram? Because Shri Ram means dharma. So how to lead your life in a greatest way? Shri Ram teaches. And the second slogan is Jai Shri Krishna. Please tell.
Jai Krishna.
Because he is the only universal Guru. He is the greatest personality development manager in this world. This is not our saying. Ibn Arnold, Max Muller, Oppenheimer, Warren Hastings, Einstein, Aldous Huxley, David Frawley, all these Western people praise Lord Sri Krishna and his teach and his preach of Bhagavad Gita. That is the greatness of our country. What to do, what not to do. This essence of this thought, the ideology of India is Bhagavad Gita. The ideology of Lord Sri Krishna is Bhagavad Gita. That's why we have to teach our children to the next generations. Please remember, don't forget Lord Sri Rama, Lord Sri Krishna. And also, we should teach one more slogan, that is Bharat Mata Ki, because she has given two great sons. One is Rama, one is Krishna. That's why Bharat Mata Ki.